Hello there, welcome to Data Technique. We have this CHR today, and this is from 2019 model. We have removed its original head unit and installed an Android screen. This is a 9-inch screen that we have installed in the car. Car has the from factory JBL amplifier. Here you can see this is the JBL tweeters, and plus from factory the car has the reversing camera as well. So we have connected with its original camera with its original amplifier in the car. You can see all the steering wheel buttons, CAN bus is working, hybrid information is working, so you will not lose any kind of feature in the car if you will get installed from us or if you will purchase from us. So first of all, we have this home menu of the screen. We have some shortcuts, we have some maps like this is the YouTube works with the internet. Right now I don't have the internet in my car stereo, but we have installed one SIM card slot or USB. So in the SIM card slot you can insert SIM card to use the internet directly, or you can share hotspot from your mobile phone as well. Here we have the Apple CarPlay Android Auto functions. So right now my Android phone is connected here. You can see all the Android applications from mobile are connected here or are working. So like if I want to search for like nearest benzene stations, restaurants, so it will appear like this, so I can check. So here you can see we have like busy areas or all restaurants available here. So if tapping on the app menu again, we have this close button. From this we can go to the home menu button. We have like iGo navigation, then it's the without internet offline navigation for complete Europe. Right now we are at Malmwagen. You can see the location. It works for the complete Europe. So here you can see, so it has all the necessary information and data available for whole Europe. Works without internet, no need to connect internet with this navigation. On again closing this navigation, we have the video app. So here you can watch video while driving. So you can see it will not stop while driving, so it's an HD screen, so the video quality and everything is very nice. Then we have like radio. We have a local radio stations working here, no problem with it. Then we have here, if you tap on the app menu, so we have like lots of applications. Some apps works with the internet, some works offline without internet, like Chrome. You can surf with this Chrome with the internet, but right now I have not connected my stereo with the internet, so I need internet. Then we have like DSP, RDS as well. So you can see lots of DSP sound settings available here. Works for the original amplifier as well, so you can change or adjust the screens. We have Bluetooth, all the other applications, a file manager. We have a fan for as well for like keeping the original CPU cool. Then we have like gallery, Google. We have HD DVR we have not installed. We have iGo navigation, same I have shown you earlier. We have maps, so this maps needs internet, but you can download the offline version as well. Then we have music player. In the music player we have lots of music files here, you can see. So everything working here. We have Netflix, Play Store. You can download any kind of application from Play Store. We have radio, same I have shown you earlier. Settings, Spotify, as steering wheel control settings, touch assistant. We have some vehicle settings for like energy monitor. It shows like car energy, plus video. So we have YouTube, Yandex Navi, and some voice search. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask us in the description below. I will help you out. Here is the back camera for the car, original back camera we have connected. So that's the video for today. Thank you, bye bye.